The figure given here is a moving coil loudspeaker. Which are the main parts of a moving coil loudspeaker? The labeled parts are A. Voice coil, B. Paper cone, C. Field magnet, D. Connecting wires, E. soft turn core. Which is the working principle of a moving coil loudspeaker? Motor principle is the working principle. What is the energy changes in a moving coil loudspeaker? Electrical energy to mechanical energy and then to sound energy. What happens when we talk in front of a microphone? Sound energy converted into electrical energy or audio signal. Why we send audio signal to the amplifier? It is to increase the strength of the audio signal. When amplified signal reaches at the voice coil, what happens to it? Voice coil vibrates because it is placed between the pole pieces of field magnet and it experiences forces of different magnitudes. What happens to paper diaphragm connected to the voice coil when it vibrates? Paper diaphragm also vibrates along with the voice coil. What happens to the air surrounding the paper diaphragm when it vibrates? Air also vibrate along with wire also vibrate and produce original sound at more intensity or loud. In this way, it works. Once again, working principle, motor principle, then main parts, voice coil, paper cone, field magnet, connecting wires, soft turn shield. Energy changes, electrical energy, mechanical energy, then sound energy. Where the voice coil is placed? Voice coil is placed between the poles of the field magnet. What happens when electric signal